In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple discounts in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an order discount and control which other discounts it can stack with, like product and shipping discounts. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify store, then head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and of course, discounts. From the left-hand menu, click on Discounts. This will open the discounts page where you can see any codes or automatic discounts you've already created and create new ones. Next, click on Create Discount. Shopify will show you a few different types of discounts you can make. For this tutorial, choose Amount Off Order. This type of discount lets you take a percentage off the entire order, which is often what you'll want to combine with other discounts. You'll now see the discount setup screen. At the top, click into the discount code field and type the code you want customers to use at checkout, or let Shopify generate a random code for you if you don't have something in mind. If you prefer not to use a code at all, you can turn it into an automatic discount so it's applied when customers meet the conditions you set. Just below that, in the percentage value section, click the empty field and enter the value of your discount. For example, 20 for a 20% discount. Make sure the percentage option is selected, unless you specifically want a fixed amount off. Scroll down to the eligibility section and decide who can use this discount. You can make it available to everyone, specific customer segments, or individual customers, depending on how targeted you want this promotion to be. In the minimum purchase requirements area, choose whether customers need to spend a certain amount or buy a certain quantity to qualify, or select no minimums if you want it available on any order. Next, in maximum discount uses, decide how many times this discount can be used. You can limit total uses, limit it per customer, or leave it unlimited if that suits your campaign. Now for the key part, in the combination section, choose what this discount can be combined with. Click the checkboxes next to product discounts, order discounts, and shipping discounts, depending on what you want to allow. This is where you control stacking, so think about your margins before enabling everything. Then go to the Active Dates section. Click Set End Date and choose when this promotion should stop running. Setting clear dates helps avoid discounts running longer than planned. When you're happy with all the settings, scroll up or down and click Save.